ENE, that is a alkene. Alkene is an unsaturated carbon compound. Means here there will be a double bond between the carbon. One double bond will be there between the carbon and hydrogen. So the general formula for alkene ENE. Okay, the suffix ends with ENE. Its general formula CnH2n. Okay, for example, n is equal to 1, so CH2. N is equal to 2, C2H4. Okay, what is the name of the carbon compound? CH2. It is only one carbon, meth, ENE, methane. This is ethane, ENE. ANE, methane, ethene, propane. ANE means methane, ethane, propane. This is alkene. So methane, ethene, ENE. So N is equal to 3, C3H6, propene, PROPENE. That's it. The suffix ends with ENE. So as I said, there should be a two double bond between the carbon and hydrogen. Okay, if you want to draw the structure of an, okay, for example, ethane you can consider 2 carbon, correct? Total 1 hydrogen atom 1, 2, 3, 4. So check out, this is the carbon 1, 2, 3 is there, still one more, but only hydrogen total 4 are there. That's why carbon to carbon there will be a double bond. Carbon to carbon also there will be a, okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. The carbon should form a 4 valency electron. That should share with 4 valency electrons. So there will be a bond. This is the structure of what? Ethene. So check out a propane. So 1, 2, 3. Total 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, check out. This is one carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is over. Now check out this one 1, 2, 3 are there. Okay, this one 1, 2, 3 are there. So here I will make it as a. Now check out 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon is also over. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So anyway, one double bond will be there in a compound. So that's why it is considered as an alkene. CnH2n. General formula. So and remaining for n is equal to 4, 5 we can make out remaining carbon compounds. So methane, ethene, propene. So similarly n is equal to 4, butene, n is equal to 5, pentene, then hexene, heptene you can make it, and its structure also you can. Okay, any carbon compound and its structure should be there. So next comes alkyne, YNE. Okay. Next carbon compound, that is next unsaturated. This is an unsaturated because there will be a triple bond between the carbon to carbon or carbon to hydrogen. So alkyne, YNE. So general formula will be CnH2n minus 2. Okay, this is very important. CnH2n minus 2. Okay. For example, n is equal to 1 if you consider. So CH1, so 2 1s are 2. 2 means CH is what? It will becomes as a 0 because n is equal to 1 if you substitute 2 1s are 2. So CnH2n minus 2. So this H of 0 means the first member of this alkyne is not an methane. It should be a. It will start from n is equal to 2, that is C2H. If you substitute 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, the starting first member of an alkyl. Okay, sorry, alkyne is nothing but n is equal to 2, that is ethyne, not methane. Methane will not be there because there is no hydrogen. Okay, it will start from n is equal to 2 only, C2H2. Okay, n is equal to 3, how much it will be? C3H. 3 if you substitute 3 to the 6, 6 minus 2, it is 4. Okay, like that it will be, it is propyne. So similarly, butane, pentane. Okay, well, its structure you can check out how we can draw. Ethane I will consider C2. Okay, then H2 will be there, here H, here H. So this is the carbon. Only two. Here I will take 1, 2, 3. This is 4. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. Like this. This is the structure of ethane. There will be carbon to carbon. Three bond will be there. So it is considered as a triple bond. Similarly, propane. So 1, 2, 3. And total how many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4 I will consider. So means this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 over. For this one only 1, 2, 3. So 3, this is 4, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, like this. This is the carbon compound for 3 plus 1, 4. Yeah, this is the carbon compound structure, that is propane. So C3H4. Like this you can make it for a butane, pentane, anything you can. There will be a carbon to carbon, triple bond will be there. Anyway, it is not compulsory that you should take triple bond here. You can take triple bond here, and these hydrogen you can make it as here. Okay, there is not compulsory that here only you have to make a triple bond.